Page 85, When the Saints Go Marching In. Same as what we already had, except now the hands are reversed. Now the left hand gets the melody and the right hand gets the chords. Well, on the previous page they're introducing you to the F chord for the right hand. I already talked about if you're doing it in one hand, do it in both. I don't know if you had the A before and the music. That next to the bottom space, that's an A. It's above middle C, that A. You just have to memorize it. That's about all I had to say on it. It's just, and Saints, all the stuff I talked about before still applies. It's, you know, it's in 4/4 time. It has the pickup measure, the 3 beats. We're coming in on beat 2 because the last measure only has 1 beat. Stick them together and you got 4 beats and everybody's happy. You remember all that mess. And in the right hand you got the chords, the C chord, the second line last measure, G7 chord, third line last measure, you got a C chord. That's the chords. Left hand gets the melody. So all it's tied, you got tied notes, but just like we did before, and the same tricky spot, the end of the third line is there, except now the hands are reversed. So they're playing the hands together on the first note, first beat, and then the left hand plays, and then the right hand plays again. And again, so it's here. So you have to be careful on that. So just count it out very slowly. You start on beat 2. 2, 3, 4, 1. 2, 3, 4, 1. Remember that G's tied. So just very slowly. This is, as I said, the same as the last video, except now the hands are reversed. Dynamics, the same thing. It's the left hand we want to hear. They didn't give the words for the right hand. It doesn't matter. Keep the chords soft. I should be able to hear that G all the way through. When you're playing these chords, I should still be able to hear the G. Rest. It's good practice. Don't have it really anything else to say here. March time, how fast do you march, blah blah blah. Let's try it together. Make sure we got the notes and the rhythms. It is repeated. We will play it twice. I'll give us 5 counts. I'm going to speed this up just a hair because we've already done this before. So just a little bit, but still I'll give us 5 counts. 1, 2, 3, ready, go. Rest.